And we have a tornado tag team match. Here's what that means. Everyone is legal and no tags are necessary.
What it means is we are all in for a hell of a brawl here. Look out!
Off the top rope, diving hammer strike. Here we go. Going home. What an impact.
A masterful display of defense from both wrestlers.
Whoa. He answers right back. Caught him with a big boot. On the mark.
Honing in on the arm.
Wards that off. What a response.
Oof.
In a match with no disqualifications, you really want to lean into that stipulation. You have to use every attack you have that's normally against the rules. If you're not going to use the situation to your advantage, you've already lost.
That's very sound advice for any no DQ situation, Corey. Looks like he's coming back in.
Precarious position here.
Electric chair to the face buster. Oh, what a clothesline. Clothesline. Good Lord. So effective. Big boot. Look at, Oh, headbutt turns that back on Cena.
Oh, man, he is more than fired up right now.
Henry gets it back. And here we go, returning to the ring. A reversal. He saw that coming. Placed against the turnbuckles. Shoulder into the midsection. Boot right to the throat. Coming there.
Ooh, turned it into a jawbreaker.
A complete stalemate of reversals here. Neither one giving an inch.
Press.
Just never had a chance to block any of those. Eludes the attack. And just in time, he gets out of there.
Drop kick. Retaliation from Mark. Oh, the elbow connects. He's looking a little worn down now.
Mark with his sights set on ending this.
Assaulting the knee with purpose. Ooh! Ooh, putting their full weight on the arm.
You have got to be kidding me. A deadlift military press. This is a
Man, earth-shattering. Does that finish Mark Henry for good?
Well, they say everyone has a plan until they get punched in the mouth. Well, someone just threw their plan out the window.
The heart of these competitors is showing through tonight.
The adrenaline is coursing through their veins.
Headed back into the ring. Caught with a lariat.
Just caught flush. Mark gets out of the way in time.
And that was an efficient form of offense with that move.
One night stand.
No thanks.
No, this is gonna hurt.
He's able to reverse it. Sleeper slam.
Oh, what a leaping stomp.
Here it comes.
Stiff elbow will break that.
Cena, oh gosh, that looked like a bad landing. Gets out of the way of that one.
He could be starting to really struggle in this match. There's not a single person sitting in this arena.
It's pandemonium, Cole.
Mistake made by Henry.
Very unique takedown from behind, transitioning smoothly. Rings of Saturn, a tap out.
Just ejected from the ring.
We can sense the whole WWE Universe behind him right now.
A defensive elbow to the gut ends that.
Slam!
Nice job dodging contact there. He has him locked in. Spear!
Oh! Nice running crossbody. Broken up with a fist to the face. Heel hook. Look at this. Oh, that's so painful.
It's hard to watch, too.
Under the ropes and back into the ring. Oh, where did that backbreaker come from?
Vicious arm style.
It pulls off the reversal. Quick thinking that time. And Mark Henry reverses.
Man, strikes.
Right to the face. What energy in this arena tonight.
I'm getting goosebumps. Ooh, what a nasty kick.
Ooh, he fends that off. Ooh, one step ahead there. What a shot. He's absorbing a lot of damage here.
Oh, man.
Sharp elbow to the gut turns that one around.
Face buster plants him. And he comes in under the ropes now. John Cena, top rope.
What? How about a punch?
Clothesline. Oh, what a kick. Again to the back of the head. Covers, wasting no time. Bear hug, squeezing the breath out of them.
It's hooked in deep. His body's overcome.
He submits. He counts out.
Wow. You can see Drake.